What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Got a new utility blade in, got it from Lowe's, and I know a lot of people may not be into like utility blade stuff like that, but I've been kind of trying out some different button locks, and I've had a ToughBuilt utility blade slash scraper. It's not quite like obviously a button lock or a small utility knife. It's quite large, but it also like it acts as a scraper for like scraping paint off windows and stuff like that. Um, So it's definitely not something I use for a utility blade. So I kind of wanted to try this one out just because it is obviously compact. Sorry, knife's a little dull. You need to sharpen that one up a little bit. But yeah, I like to try them out. The one I've been using right now, I can't get out of my pocket because I use one at work every day. Is the Linux. It's a great utility knife. I haven't had any problems with it. It's not a button lock, which kind of sucks because it does kind of make it nice. I do like to open it up pretty easy, but or quick and easy. But this is probably the smallest one I have handled. It definitely feels smaller in my hand just then when I did that, when I held it. It is all plastic. Let's see what else it says on there. It's a steel belt clip. It's got a button lock, obviously, and it's got obviously wire strippers. Say anything else on it? Not really. Okay, so let's get into it then. Obviously, it is a button lock, as you can see. It is all plastic except for like where the blades, like actually, no, this is this side is plastic too, and this side is metal of some sort, steel or something, just to hold it in. It is very small though. Like I have small hands, so if you have bigger hands, you might have some problems with it. I did want to try it out because obviously it said compact, and I felt like it would fit in my pocket a lot easier, obviously, because it's smaller too. Obviously, I cut it a little bit when I was opening it, but that's all right because it's going to get tore up anyway, probably tomorrow when I take it to work. Um, it doesn't feel like the blades. Let's see if there's any wiggle room. A little bit of wiggle, but usually with utility blades you have that. It's minimal though, honestly. It's not as bad as others I've dealt with, I guess. You do have your release button, which let's see if it. All right, so you just have to have it, all the way open to take it out. I know my Linux though, I really like that because you have to have it in like an angle like that, and then you can take it out that way. And that's the only way you can take it out. It's like a safety feature, so the blade doesn't fall out on you or break on you, like break coming out or something like that. And then you cut yourself and you look like a fool and stuff like that. And you don't want to do that, obviously. No one looks like no one wants to look like a fool in front of their coworkers. Um, it does lock right there though, also. So that is kind of cool. I don't know what I would use it for, but obviously you could take the blade out either way. Huh. That is kind of cool though. Maybe if you need it for something a little bit, I guess, more direct, sharper, or heck, even use it as a weapon, I guess. I don't know. Um, there you go. Like almost like a karambit. That's what it reminded me of. I was trying to think of it. It's like a karambit. Um, doesn't feel like it's going to move though. Feels pretty sturdy in there. I do like that it has a little bit of a jimping right there for like your thumb, so you can really kind of get into it and cut stuff. I do really like that it is small and that it'll fit in my pocket, smaller than the other ones I have. But like cutting wise, I don't know about it. I'm kind of paranoid about this too, because right there. See, my hand's gonna fit right there, and if I choke up on it, I feel like I might slip into that. I don't know. I don't know. I had it in there a second ago, and it almost looked like my finger's about to touch the blade, like right there. So that is the wire stripper. So be careful of that. I think obviously I wear gloves when I'm at work, just because I don't want to obviously keep my hands from getting too dinged up. Like I get pretty roughed up, but plus I kind of deal with some nasty stuff sometimes. So the gloves will help out from getting cut by that. I don't think I will get cut. It's just close. Um, it does feel good in my hand though, for the most part, besides being small. It is, like I said, completely plastic of some sort. You do have a lanyard hole right there if you want to obviously put a lanyard on, like, or something like that, just to keep it around your neck, or keep it. I don't know. I don't think you're gonna put a lanyard on it, like a lanyard bead, and something cool like that. It'd be kind of goofy, I think. It is not ambidextrous. Let's check out the pocket clip. I do like the pocket clip. It seems like it's sturdy enough that you can get it in your pocket pretty easy. I wear thick pockets, or not thick pockets, duh. Thick pants during the winter just to stay warm because I do work outside quite a bit too. Oh, excuse me. But also it looks like it's got a big enough gap right there that you can just slide it into your pocket. And like I said, it kind of opens up pretty easy. Like I said, I was also impressed with the wiggle room. Like I said, there's not much there. This is going to be a really, really short video. I'm going to probably be using this quite a bit, probably for the next like month or so. I'll probably do a final review on the Linux. I kind of let's do a little size comparison. See if I got something in here. And I don't. So no size actually here. I don't know where they all went, but I've got one. There you go. Size comparison. Master Force kind of sucks though. I have never used that because it sucks. You can barely get it to open and close. The button lock sucks, so I don't use that. But this is like I guess a quick comparison. Oh, where's another knife that you guys may know? Here. CJRB Echo, just so you know. There you go. So it is pretty small. No, see, just Echo's not like tiny or anything by standards, but this thing is pretty small. Pretty small. It's a pretty small little guy. But yeah, I'll be doing a final review of it probably here next month. So be on the lookout for that. Unless it's a piece of crap and it breaks, and then I do a video tomorrow because it broke on me or something like that. But if you like the video, obviously leave a thumbs up. And if you have any comments about it, or if you tried it yet, let me know. I have a little bit of experience with ToughBuilt. So far, so good. We're going to find out if this is going to be up to the standard. And yeah, but like I said, if you have any comments on it, or if you have any experience on it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.